Class 10th Mathematics Exercise 3C R.S. Agarwal by Nandlal sir. Question number 8. X by 6 plus y by 15 is equal to 4. Equation 1. And x by 3 minus y by 12 is equal to 19 by 4. 19 by 4, it's my question. Now I am going to solve. Here first I am going to change we can write this equation in this form. X by x 1 by 6. 1 by 6 a1 plus 1 by 15 b1 plus minus 4 c1 is equal to 0. Equation 1. Similarly, we can write equation 2. 1 by 3 x plus 1 minus 1 by 12 equal y sorry plus minus 19 by 4 is equal to 0. Equation 2. Now it is a2 minus 1 by 12 b2 minus 19 by 4 c2. According to cross multiplication method, we can let 1 by 6 is equal to a1, 1 by 15 is equal to b1, minus 4 is equal to c1, and in equation 2 we can let coefficient 1 by 3 is equal to a2, minus 1 by 12 is equal to b2, and minus 19 by 4 is equal to c2. I am now using this formula cross multiplication. We can write we know that x is equal to ab minus ab, a1 to 1, bc minus bc 1 to 1. Now putting the value of this given equation, value of b1 value of b1 is 1 by 15 into c2 minus 19 by 4 minus b2 minus 1 by 12 into c1 minus 4 by 1 by a1 1 by 6 into b2 minus 1 by 12 minus a2 1 by 3 into b1 1 by 15. These are the respective value of b1, c2, b2, c1, a1, b2, b1 from equation 1 and 2. Next step, minus 19 by 15 4 is 60 minus plus 4 1 ja 4 3 ja minus plus 1 by 3 by minus 12 6 ja 72 minus 1 by 15 3 ja 45. Now LCM of 60 and 3 is 60. Minus 19 minus 20. 3 divided by 60 divided by 3 we will get 20, and multiply 1 by 20 we will get 20 by LCM 72 and 45. LCM of 72 and 45. LCM of 72 and 45 we can write here. LCM of 72 and 45 by 3. 3 2 ja 6 और 3 4 ja 15. 3 8 time 3 5 time 3 3 ja 9 9 5 ja 45 into 8 8 5 ja 40 0 4 8 4 ja 32 और 4 36 360. अब now LCM of 72 and 45 is 360. 360 divided by 72. 360 divided by here 360 divided by 72. 5 times 5 2 is 10 1 5 7 is 35 or 1 36 5 times. So 5 minus 45 60 divided by 45. How many times? 8 times. 8 5 is 44 8 4 is 32 or 4 36 8 times minus 8. In next step we can write minus plus minus 39 by 60 39 by 60 by 360 और minus यहाँ plus minus here also minus 15 is equal to minus 39 by 60 into 360 by minus 15. 6 3 2 times 5 times 5 no 5 next 5. Value of x of question 8. Value of x is 18. Where is 18? 18 minus 39 into 2 by 5 is equal to 2 9 8 1 78 by 5 here 90 39 here 19 60 LCM of 60 and LCM of 60 and 3 21 60 20 39 30 here 45 0 4 8 40 4 8 32 4 36 8 और यहाँ 5 72 divided 5 here 5 here is mistake 5 it means 13 here is 13 sorry mistake 13 you can write here 13 it means minus here is mistake I am solving this here minus 39 by 60 into 360 by minus 13 minus 3 times 6 times is equal to 18 it means x is equal to 18 and also we know that y is equal to AB minus AB 1 2 2 1 CA minus CA 1 2 2 1 next putting the value of this we know that C1 is minus 4 into A2 is 1 by 3 minus C2 minus 19 by 4 into A1 1 by 6 by denominators are equal in formula so its solution is equal minus 13 by 316 implies in next step minus 4 by 3 minus plus 19 by 24 by minus 13 by 36 in next step 3 or 24 LCMs 24 3 6 ja 3 8 ja 8 4 ja 32 minus 32 plus 19 by minus 13 by 36 implies 1 plus minus sign 12 में 9 माइनस करेंगे तो 3 और 2 1 और 12 से 9 3 ना 13 12 13 या 2 1 1 by 24 into 360 by minus 13 you cancel or here 24 2 से 12 2 से 18 2 से 6 2 से 96 15 it means y is equal to 15 and x is equal to 18. This is solution. Next question number 19. In question number 9, what is our question number 9? Our question number 9 is what is 9? Question number 9 as what's value of 9? Question number 9 is 9. 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 7. Equation 1. And 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 17. Equation 2. 1 is 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 7 and 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 17. And now I am going to solve. In this question, 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by x, 1 by y. Let 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v. Then we can write 1 by x is equal to u plus 1 by y is equal to v. Here my प्लस है ना राइट साइड में, इधर आएगा लेफ्ट साइड में तो माइनस हो जाएगा, तो -7 is equal to 0. Equation 1. Here 1 is coefficient, in its also 1 is coefficient. Value of a1 is 1, value of b1 plus 1, value of c1 -7. Similarly in equation 2, 2x 1 by x is equal to u. According to our supposition, u plus 3v minus plus -17 is equal to 0. Equation 2. This is the value of a2, this is the value of b2, and this is the value of c2. We know that by the formula of cross multiplication, u is equal to ab minus ab, bc minus bc. 1 2 2 1, 1 2 2 1. And now putting the value of this given value. So b1 is 1 into c2 is -17 minus value of b2 is 3 into c1 is -7 by value of a1 is 1 into value of b2 is 3 minus a2, value of a2 is 2 into value of b1 is 1. Now plus minus 17, minus plus 7 3 are 21 by 3 1 are 3 minus 2 is equal to 4 by 1. It means 4. U is equal to 4. U is equal to 4. And also we know value of V is equal to A1 B2 A2 B1 CA minus CA 1 2 2 1. अब now denominators are equal, hence in denominator we can write 1. And solution of this, C1 is C1 minus 7 into A2, A2 is 2, minus C2 is minus 17 into A1, 1 by 1. Next step, minus 7 into 2, minus 14, minus plus 7 by 1. Value of 1 is no. Now minus 7, minus 7. Question number 9, minus 7. Now putting the value of u and hence v is equal to minus 7. Now putting this in value in our supposition, we know 1 by x is equal to u, implies 1 by x is equal to value of u is 4. It means implies x is equal to 1 by 4. Similarly 1 by y is equal to minus 7, implies y is equal to minus 1 by 7. This is value of y and this is value of x. In answer question number 9, what's value of x is equal to 1 by 4 and y is equal to 1 by 3. Here 1 by 3, it means minus 3. Where is mistake? C1 is minus 7 and A2 value of A2 is 2, minus C2 value of C2 is minus 17. Here minus 17. It means minus plus 17. Here we subtract plus 3. It means 3. Here value of y is equal to 3. Hence value of y is equal to 1 by 3. In next question number 10. In question number 10, 5 by, no decimal, 5 by x plus y minus 2 by x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, equation 1, and 15 by x plus y plus 7 by x minus y minus 10 is equal to 0, equation 2. In this equation, now question is x by x plus y minus 2 by x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, and 15 by x plus y plus 7 by x minus y minus 10 is equal to 0. Now in this equation, 1 by x plus y, 1 by x minus y, 1 by x plus y, 1 by x minus y. Let 1 by x plus y is equal to u and 1 by x minus y is equal to v. Putting this value is respectively equation 1 and 2. We will get 5u minus 2v plus 1 is equal to 0. It means plus minus 2. its value of A1, its value of C1. A1, B1, C1, equation 1. And equation 2 we can write 15U plus 7V plus minus 10 is equal to 0, equation 2. This is the value of A2, this is the value of B2, and this is the value of C2. Now we know that, here we will write, we know that by the cross multiplication method u is equal to AB minus AB, BC minus BC, E1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1. And now putting the value of this, B1 is minus 2 into C2, C2 is minus 10 minus B2, B2 is 7 into C1 is 1 by A1 5 into B2 7 minus A2 15 into B1 minus 2 is equal to minus minus plus 20 minus 7 by 7 5 ja 35 minus minus plus 30 is equal to, here 65, it's 13. 13 1 times 13 5 ja is equal to 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Next, V is equal to A1 B2 minus A2 B1 CA minus CA 1 2 2 1. Here denominators are equal, it means in denominator we will get 65. Here solution of this is 65. And C1, value of C1 is 1, A2 is 15 minus C2 is minus 10 into A1 is 5. Now match C1 1, A2 15 minus C2 minus 10, A1 5. Next, 15 minus minus plus 10 5 ja 50 by 65. 65 by 65. 1 times 1. Now putting this value in our supposition. 1 by x plus y, x plus y, it means u. Value of u is 1 by 5. It means 1 by xy is equal to u. Value of u 1 by 5. 1 by 5 implies cross multiplication x plus 1 and 1, x plus y, or 1 and 5 we will get 5, equation 1. And also 1 by x minus y is equal to 1. We will get by cross multiplication x minus y is equal to 1, equation 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2, now adding equation 1 plus 2. Now addition of 1 plus 2, LHS, in LHS we will get cancel. Here it is value of equation 3 and equation 4. Equation 3 and equation 4. 2x is equal to 2x. 2x is equal to 5 for 1, 6. 2, 3 ja. Implies x is equal to 3 and y is equal to, x is equal to 3, 3 minus 2, y is equal to 2. These are the value of question number 10. Question number 10, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. अभी next question number 11. Next question number 11. Next question number 11. In question number 11, we can write, in question number 11, we can write, what's our question number 11? Our question number 11 is, question number 11, ax by b, ax by b minus by a is equal to a plus b, and ax by b minus by a is equal to a plus b, and question equation 2, ax minus by is equal to 2ab. Equation 1 and equation 2. And now I am going to solve this equation. In this equation we can write a by b x plus minus b by a y plus minus a minus b. ये RHS से LHS में जाएगा, दोनों का साइन माइनस हो जाएगा. प्लस माइनस माइनस, माइनस a plus minus minus minus. We can write this is equal to 0, equation 1. It's a value of a1, b1, c1. Similarly in equation 2, a x plus minus b y minus plus minus 2ab is equal to 0, equation 2. Now value of x, we know that by the help of, I am not writing here all statements, you can write in your notes book. Now we know that x is equal to ab minus ab, bc minus bc, 1 2 2 1, 1 2 2 1. Now putting the value of b1 is minus b by a into c2, value of c2 is minus 2ab. Here b1 minus b by a into c2 is here, it's a value of a2, b2 and c2. b1 is minus b by a into c2 is minus 2a, c2, b2, a2. Next, minus b2, value of b2 is minus b into c1 minus a minus b by a1 a by b into b2 minus b minus A1 is A by B and B2 minus B by A. Where is B2? B2 minus B minus A2. A2 is A into B1. Where is B1? B1 minus B by A. Minus B by A. Now solving this. A cancel. We can write, I am writing here, value of, here A is cancel, minus minus plus 2, minus minus plus 2 B square, 2B square minus minus plus minus, minus minus here multiply by B minus minus plus AB minus minus plus B square. Here 2B square minus B minus minus plus AB. Here is wrong. Here multiplication is wrong. I can write here minus minus plus 2B minus B minus minus plus AB minus minus plus B square by B cancel, minus A minus minus A cancel, minus minus plus B is equal to A plus B. What's answer of this question? Value of x is question number 11. Value of x is equal to B. 11. Value of x is equal to B. Where is my mistake? Value of equation 1. X is equal to B. What's a question? A by A, ax by B minus by A is equal to A plus B. Ax minus by is equal to 2AB. It's my question. It means ax A by B plus minus B by A y plus its value of minus A minus B. It's right. In equation A x plus minus by plus minus 2, it's right. x is equal to AB minus AB 2 1 ठीक है. BC minus BC, it is also right. Value of B1 is minus B by A into C2. Value of C2 minus 2AB my A cancel, minus minus plus, ठीक. 2B square and B 2B square. Here is mistake, 2B square. अब now 2B square और B square, 3B square plus AB by minus A plus B. Also mistake. B2 is, where is value of B2? Minus B2 minus B minus, here is also minus B B2 C1 minus A. It's my mistake. Here we can write it's a wrong. Multiply here as minus minus plus 2B square minus minus plus AB minus minus plus b square by a1. A1 is a by b. b2 b2 minus b, right? Minus a2. A2 is a into b1. b1 is minus b by a cancel, b cancel, right? The solutions minus a and minus minus plus b. Next step, 2b square minus ab minus b square by b minus a. In next step we can write b and 2b square or b square, 1b square minus ab by b minus a. In this common, b is common, b minus a. b here is b and a, b minus a cancel is equal to b. Value of x is equal to b. Yes, right? And next y is equal to here ab minus ab, it's 1 2 2 1. Here ca minus ca, 1 2 2 1 is equal to value of denominators x and y are equals, then solutions of denominator is b minus a, b minus a, b minus a. Now putting the value of c1. c1 is c1 is value of c1 is minus a minus b. c1 is yes into a2, value of a2 is a minus c1 is minus a minus b, and value of a2 where is a2 is a minus c2, value of c2 minus 2ab into a1, value of a1 is a by b. Now a by b cancel. In next step we can write minus a square minus ab minus minus plus 2a and a, 2a square by b minus a, implies here 2a square minus a square minus ab by b minus a, Now common in this common is a, it means a minus b by minus common 1 a minus b, it's cancel, minus a implies y is equal to minus a. In question number 12, where is 12? Question number 12. In question number 12, what is our question number 12? 2ax plus 3by is equal to a plus 2b. Matching मिला ले क्वेश्चन. 2ax plus 3by is equal to a plus 2b. Equation 1. And 3ax plus 2by is equal to 2a plus b. Equation 2. Now I am solving this. I am going to solve. Here 2ax, it's a value of a1, plus 3by value of b1, minus, plus here minus a minus 2b, it's a value of c1 is equal to 0, equation 1. Similarly, in this equation, 3ax value of a2 plus 2by value of b2 plus minus 2a minus b value of c2 is equal to 0, equation 2. Now we know that x is equal to ab minus ab, bc minus bc, 1 2 2 1, 1 2 2 1. Next, I am writing value of b1, b1 is 3b into